Got your book. We were doing Varnams in the last class. So I had explained 2 Varnams to you.
Yes.
So do you think we'll do that one more Varnam and you can maybe then show me how you would treat the Varnam?
Surely, I had a small question. Most of the Varnams is where the Naika is pining for her beloved. Are there Varnams also where we can actually play around with it and give it a different twist where she is pining but she is also an empowered woman and she finds a new way of coming to terms with her feelings or
There are 2 ways to look at it. One is there are these traditional Varnams and you have been taught in a certain manner. But like I always say, Bharatanatyam is a socio-aesthetic. It's embedded in the society in which we live. So at that period, when those Natavanars wrote these beautiful Varnams, the society operated on those lines.
Right.
There was a role for women, there was a role for men, and the society operated along those parameters. And times have changed, and we have changed, and the way we negotiate our relationships inside of our family structures also has changed.
Right.
So the way we treat our father or we treat somebody else or husband, a wife relationship has changed. Equations have changed. So a lot of dancers, what they do is they take new body of work, they take new poetry and they intersperse it with some jatis here and there and use it in the Varnam format. So they maintain the format of the Varnam, but it's actually not a traditional Varnam as we have learnt or others have learnt. So it looks like a Varnam, but it doesn't really keep to the meter. It's a traditional one, and a lot of dancers have done that. So they try to use their expressional kind of ideation through the poetry. So they choose the kind of poetry that expresses what they want to express, and they make it into a Varnam pattern. Yeah. So the jati, the sahitya, jati sahitya, then swara, chitte swara, yettukade swaras, and the muktaya swara, and they have the musician compose it. But for me, what is more challenging is to be able to use the traditional Varnams and give it a new interpretation, a contemporary interpretation. If you can subtly change the way you interpret the Varnam.
So there is scope for that.
There is scope for that. Because like we spoke about yesterday, now every Varnam, the sentence is open-ended. There's no sentence completion in a Varnam.
Yes,
and that is why we talk of Varnam as the Pisti Rasastans, because even for an Abhinaya, it's a test piece. So what can you do when there's an open-ended kind of a Sahitya? It gives you scope for interpretation. You don't have to be, like a word-to-word interpretation. If it's too wordy, there's less scope for interpretation.
Correct. You have to really
You have to be sticking to the words or interpreting the words, or the words will overlap with your emotion, which is totally different, and there'll be a kind of a disjoint, disconnect
or if
there.
too fast, there won't be time to
Develop the words, things like that, which kind of overlap, and then you're concentrating on your hastas and your mudras, and you're saying, oh no, I can't now get the emotion, which is like really fast. But if the words are few, and if it's open-ended, there's a lot of scope. There's one particular Varnam, it's in Kamas Raga, Rupak Tada. It's a very rare Varnam, again a traditional Varnam, and again it is of unknown origin. So we don't know who the poet is, more or less like Mohamana. There are lots of claimants, but there has not been an assigning of the poet or the period that this Varnam was written. If you can write down the Sahitya, it's a very simple Varnam. like I said in Rag Kamas, Rupak Tala, Ma Moha Lahiri Mirude, Yenna Shayavan. So it talks about, same thing. I'm full of love, O Saki. So addressing a Saki.
Moha Lahiri Mirude Yenna Seihuven.
So it would be Ma Moha Lahiri. I'm so filled with love. Mirude. Mirude is overflowing with love. Yenna Seihuven. What can I do? What should I do? What can I do? What do I do?
Eternal question.
Eternal question. So what do I do? The second line would be
Maliya Venanum.
Second line of the
Varnam.
Maliya Venanum.
Valiya
Venanum.
Venanum.
Poi Varavenum.
Poi
Varavenum.
Valiyave Nanum.
Valiyave Nanum.
Where he resides, where Velanai resides, Shanmukha resides. Poi Varavenum. I have to go and come back.
Oh,
I have to go there. Basically, not Poi Varavenum means I have to go there.
okay.
Yenna Seihuven.
Again.
What else can I do? Now see that the Enna Sahuvene you can do many times.
She wants to go or she needs to?
No, she's first saying that I'm so filled with love. What do I do? Right? Then where he resides, I want to go. What do I do? She's asking her friend again, what do I do?
Okay. Yenna
Seihuven.
Tirtha. Okay. What do I do?
Then the third line is
Sriman Kumaran.
Sriman Kumaran.
Yettendiran.
Kumaran.
Yettendiran. Raja. Yettendiran.
Dinam Paniyum.
Dinam
Paniyum. Kalugachala Velavan.
Kalugachala
Velavan.
Okay, so the Sriman Kumaran Yetendran is a Raja of that principality. Okay, so every day he goes to see this Velavan.
The king goes.
The king goes to see him every day. So basically, the person that I am pining for or I am in love with is not an ordinary person. Even the king goes to see him every day. So that's the third line. And
Sriman Kumaran is
the king, Sriman Kumaran Yetendran.
Oh, the Sriman
Kumaran
is the title for the king.
King, yeah,
Okay.
of that principality.
Every day goes to see
The person who resides in Kalikachura, Velavan. Okay?
Tan Mattiram.
Beg varkombodu.
Tan Mattiram Tanittirukkum.
Tan Mattiran
Tanitirukkum.
Tani
Tirukkum.
Tirukkum
Samayam Parthu Vadi Podi.
Samayam Path. So now she's saying
Samayam Path
Vadi Podi.
Vadi Podi is so colloquial.
It's so colloquial. The same Poi Varavenum, even that is colloquial. Hog Bartini. I mean, I have to go and it basically means I have to go. It doesn't mean you got to go and come back or something. Poi Varavenum,
Yeah.
in the same way. So
The
now she has decided Tan
Tan
Matir.
Mattiram
Mattiran.
Tanittirukkum.
Okay.
Samayam Parthu Vadi Podi.
Tani Tirukkum Samayam Path Vadi Podi. Okay. Only you go and see.
So now she's saying Tan Matiram Tani Tirukam. When he is alone and with nobody else.
When he is alone.
Yeah, and with nobody else. Go find out that time and come back and tell me. So basically, he's such an important man that even the king goes to see him and worship him every day. Him, you know, and there's so many other interpretations you can give. So just go and see the time when he's alone, and tell me when he's alone, so I can go.
So here she's not entrusting the Saki with a message, like it's quite usual.
She's saying go and tell me
So
when
she
he's
wants to go
alone.
herself.
She wants to go herself, but then she says no, maybe I should not go. So you go tell me when he's alone.
Okay.
You know, yeah. So this song, now I just want to, you know, if you have to interpret this song, there are ways and ways of doing it. Ma mohalahari mirde. Like I said, I am so filled with love, pangs of love. What can I do? Now it can be what can I do? What do you think I should do? What should I do? What do I do? So each one is a different expression. Now, what can I do? What should I do? You know, what do I do now? You know, yeah. Or what do you suggest I do? I mean, there's so many things that you can bring to the Sanchari of doing a thing like this. Okay, and even full of love. Of course, there's so many ways of doing it. The second line, what's the second line?
Valiyavenanum.
Valiyave nanum.
Poi vara venum. She said, okay, what do I do? After asking, after asking the Saki, what do I do? What should I do? What can I do? Please suggest. She says, if you don't tell me anything, I'll have to go there myself. Where he is, where he resides, I have to go. And should I go? What do you think? You think it's a good idea for me to go? In this one will be different from the first line. What do you think? You think it's appropriate that I go? Do you think it's a good idea for me to go? Do you think I should go myself? So again, you can give many different interpretations to how she's going to. The third line is a simple thing. Shriman Kumaran, that king of that place, the Raja, Yatyendran, every morning he goes up that little hill, hilak, to have darshan of that Velavan. Velavan is the lord of this whole thing, who resides there. He is the one I'm in love with, and even the Raja goes every morning to to pray. And the fourth line is, she decides that she can't go herself. She's saying Tan Matirum, Tanitirukam. So when Tan Matirum, when he's alone, go find out and come back. Now, when you think of Velavan, so he's got two wives. So when he is not with his two wives, go check and come back and tell me. Right?
She wants to join that.
She's saying, and then when the peacock, it's his obsession. When the peacock is not with him, come back and tell me when he's alone. When he's in a happy mood, tell me, so that I can go and meet him. Because I don't want to get angry with me when I go. Why will you come here? And when there are all these people around him, because he's such an important person, when they are not there, find out when that time is and come back. So there's so many different ways of doing this one line, any line for that matter. If you can do it yourself, she'll sing for you. Four times she'll sing. That's all. Or 5 each line. Just do it. It's simple. I've just Honey. I'll do it. It's Ma Mohalari Mirude. So she just come. It's a varnam, so you come in a normal thing. Time is Abhinaya. twitching, twitching. I want him to kiss me. What else can I do? You know, when you do the expression of the Varnam, you most often try to do left, right, even if you're doing the Sakhi, or if you're trying to do it with emotion and not just with the Kai. Even then you try to keep the Varnam format of doing it right and left. So you also look at the space and how to cover the space. And like I told you, when you say Enna Sahiban, the different ways of doing it. You know what? And this is a Mugdha Naika actually. She is not.
This is not an experience.
No, she's saying that kind of a thing. So I'm so full of love, and just think, I can't wait to see him. I can't blink my eyes. I don't want to even close my eyes. And I'm just waiting. What do I do? What do I do? Tell me, what do I do? That kind of a thing. So you will have to get that mood, So otherwise, if you do it, she's not that kind of a Enna Sahiban. No, what do I do? No,
she's not that.
She's not given up. She's saying, what should I do? Tell me, what should I do? What should I do? What are my options? What should I do? So each time you have to try and bring that excitement of her love. It's not a pathos love. It's an excited, happy love. If you do this, then it is like that Mugdha Naika. Little bit of a batting of the eyelids. Yeah, the stars of light. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Meerude, I'm filled with love. Meerude. I'm so filled with love. Ma Mohalahari. I'm so much love. It's overflowing. Meerude. You can even do that. Then Enna Sahiban is what can I do? My lips are twitching. I just want him to kiss me. That thing about, he's kissing you. Think about what. Hartare. Look at my heartbeat. You see it? Tell me what to do. Next line. Okay, so now she's saying, tell me what to do, tell me what to do. What else can I do? Tell me what to do. The next line is to him. Because what else can I do? What else can I do? Okay? So Sakhi is telling her, don't go. All these people may gossip, seeing you go. So she's reacting to what her friend is telling her. She's saying, they're all jealous of me. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. See now, what else can I do? She's asking her friend, what do I do? What else can I do? I told you. She's a Mugdha. She's a very bold person. She's saying, Vali, I'm Poi Varavenum. I only have to go. Now you are telling me that don't go because these people are going to gossip about you. Who cares? They're all jealous of me. But I'm going to go. I don't care. I'm not afraid of all these people. I'm going to go and say, tell me what else can I do? Will you go? I mean, either you have to go or I have to go.
Yeah.
With a message. We can't call and say hello. Right? So, will you go? That level. So, basically, that's the whole attitude. And so, when I go, what will I do? I'll dress up and I'll go. Yeah, what? You don't want me to go? NSI. Okay, what else can I do then? So, you don't have to every time do NSI. That. So, in that expression only, what? What else can I do? Afraid of these people? No, I'm not. Okay, now you got that. So then the next line is Shriman Kumaran, which is a regular. Do you know who he is? So she's going. So from there you can
Shriman Kumaran
Raja. Even he. Yeah. Even the Raja. Even he goes. He has a bath. He's got lots of money. That man who's got the king. But he takes humbly flowers and then he goes up the mountain to offer it to him. To see him. All these people go behind the Raja. Do you know who he is? Then you come back that whole thing. Then next. Okay. Okay, I won't go. No, there's a peep, no? There's a difference in seeing. You can't see, I mean, when he is with his two wives, you can't see him. So when just peep, come back. These are the little subtle differences that make the, story different. The Abhinaya also different. So when Shriman Kumaran, and he's not with them.
போடிதான்
And then all these people. Tan Mataram.
தான் மாத்திரம் தனில் திருக்கூசமயம் பார்த்து வாடி போடி.
So different ways of treating it. When there are lots of people, when they're not going to be there, ask him when that time is and come back. Otherwise, peep when the wives are not there and come back. It's just when you see that peacock, even the peacock, I don't want jealous. Even the peacock should not be there. It's a distraction for me. So when he's alone with no peacock, you find out where he is and come back. Or if you can talk to him once, if you can talk to him, tell him in that place, I'll be waiting. Ask him to come there. So there's so many ways that you can do this. And now what happens? So the Sakhi goes, okay, in the fourth line. And the Sakhi,
So this is the fourth line where she goes.
We're imagining she goes. Let's imagine.
That's your
So a lot of
interpretation.
lot of imagination you have to put. Otherwise, how can you interpret these songs differently, right? So let's imagine the Sakhi goes, and that she sing, and the second line, the Charanam, the refrain of the Charanam is oh ho ho,
மாதேயன் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவான் எண்ணுவது பிஷகடி.
So already poor thing, she's saying oh ho ho. I thought that a man's love is permanent, and my whole life has become nirase because I depend on a man's love, and I thought it was permanent. What a fool I was to think it was permanent. Basically oh ho ho, Made and Nirasana.
So has she grown older here?
Obviously between the time that she asked her friend to go, Tan Mataram, to when she comes back and says oh ho ho, she herself is saying it. There's a change in her own development and growth and understanding of love. Right? So how does she treat that? Now she's saying, so friend must have come back and said, he's not with Valli Devayani, he's not with all these other people, he's with some other woman.
Oh God.
Right? So it's not, you thought that apart from his wives, you were the only woman in his life, but obviously not. He's with somebody else. So she says, really? He's with somebody else? So the first, the way you develop it, so the first thing is a Sakhi coming back, right? To tell her. So, even if you,
மாதேயன் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவான் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி ஓ மாதேயன் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவான் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி ஓ மாதேயன் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவான் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி மாதேயன் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி மாதேயன் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி மானியல் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி மானியல் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி மானியல் நிராசை சுகமடி ஆடுவர் உறவிஷகவாய் எண்ணுவது பிசகடி
let the man be the flower, I'll be the bee.
Oh God.
This
is just so beautiful.
why should I?
And the way your moods get changing from that shock, that initial
See, the
shock,
first thing is
to
that
despair, then to the coming to your own and saying,
I'm not going to cry anymore.
"Huh,
You know.
it's okay, I'm fine. I will."
So
deal
can
with
you do this? Stand up and do this. Please do it. It's just a development of the mood.
Just as like you do.
Doesn't matter. You just have to learn to choreograph it. You know. In the next class, you do this, and we'll do it. Okay.